Hi dear friends, Arabic alphabets have different positions in writing. Today we learn different positions of first 5 Arabic alphabets in writing. You can see in the screen the word a, ra, na and ba. We can read it Arnab, Arnab. Arnab means rabbit, rabbit. Now you can see here the word is written as joining. The first letter is a, second letter ra. We did not join a with ra because a is not a letter. Ra also did not join with next letter noon because ra is also not a letter. Noon and ba we could join, so we can read it Arnab, Arnab. In this example, we can learn how to write and join a in the middle. The first letter is ka, second letter a, third letter sa. We can read it ka'as, ka'as. Ka'as means trophy, trophy. Here you can see the shape of a in the middle. We can join a with before letter because the first letter kaf is not a naughty letter. But we cannot join a with next letter sin because a is a naughty letter. So we can read it ka'is, ka'is. In this example, we can learn how to write ba in the starting and join. The first letter is ba, next letter da, and last letter ra. How can we read it? Badr, Badr. Badr means moon, moon. You can see here the first letter ba we have joined with next letter dal. So you can see the shape of ba while joining in the starting. So we can read it Badr, Badr. In this example, you can see the word ja, ba and la, jabal. Jabal means mountain, mountain. Here you can see the word jabal. In this word jabal, how did we write the letter ba in the middle? We could join before and after because the before letter and after letter are not naughty letters. So we can read it Jabal, Jabal, Jabal. In this word, we learn how to write ba at the end of a word. The first letter is Ain, second letter Noon, and third letter Ba. We can read it Inab, Inab. Inab means grapes, grapes. You can see here how did we write the word Inab with joining Ba at the end of the word. We can read it Inab. Inab means grapes. In this word, we learn how to write tha in the starting. The word is tha, ma, and ra. We can read it tamr, tamr. Tamr means dates, dates. You can see here the word tamr. How did we write tha in the starting? Tha we could join with meme, and meme we have joined with ra. We can read it tamr, tamr. Here you can see how to write tha in the middle of a word. The first letter is sin, second letter ta, and last letter ra. We can read it sitr, sitr. Sitr means curtain, curtain. How can we write ta at the end of a word? You can see the word ba, ya, and ta. We can read it bait, bait. Bait means house, bait, house. You can see the letter tha at the end of the word joining with ya. We can read it bait, bait. Now you can learn how to write the letter tha in the beginning of a word. We can read the word tha, ain, la, and ba. How to read it? Tha'lab, tha'lab. Tha'lab means fox, fox. Here you can see the letter tha we could join with next letter. The shape you can see in the word tha'lab, tha'lab. Tha'lab means fox. In this example, you can see the letter tha, how to write in the middle of a word. We can read the word ka, tha, ya, and ra. We can read it kathir, kathir. Kathir means more. You can see here the letter tha has joined with before and after letter. The shape you can see in the word. We can read it kathir, kathir. The word is starting with ba, ha, and tha. We can read it bahatha. Bahatha means search, to search. Here you can see how did we write the letter tha at the end of the word. We could join tha with before letter, and you can see the shape of the tha in the word. We can read it bahatha, bahatha. Bahatha means to search.